Is it possible to block WhatsApp calls for specific contacts or groups only?
Hello, WhatsApp users. Ever been interrupted by a call on WhatsApp from a specific contact or group that you don't want to hear from, but don't want to completely block them? Today we're discussing a key WhatsApp feature: how to block calls from specific contacts or groups while still being able to receive their messages. Let's dive right in.
Is it possible to block WhatsApp calls for specific contacts?
Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, WhatsApp doesn't directly provide the feature to block calls from a specific contact while allowing messages. When you block a contact on WhatsApp, you block both their messages and calls. But there is a workaround. You can silence a specific contact's calls by disabling notifications. Here's how. 1. Go to your phone's settings. 2. Navigate to the Apps or Application Management section. 3. Scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. 4. Tap on Notifications, then call Notifications. 5. Disable sound, vibrate and pop-up notifications for calls. Remember, this workaround only mutes the call ringtone, but the call will still come through. However, you won't be disturbed by the call notification.
Is it possible to block WhatsApp calls for specific groups?
As with individual contacts, there's no direct feature to block calls from specific groups. However, you can mute notifications for group calls, similar to the workaround mentioned above. Another effective method is to disable group calls entirely. 1. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. 2. Tap on Account, then Privacy. 3. Tap on Groups, then select My Contacts Accept. 4. Select the groups from which you do not want to receive calls. Note that this method will prevent you from receiving any group calls, not just calls from a specific group. While WhatsApp doesn't directly allow us to block calls from specific contacts or groups, there are workarounds to prevent these calls from interrupting us. Hopefully, WhatsApp will add a direct feature to do this in the future. Remember, these methods might change over time as the app updates, so stay informed and adaptable. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope this information helps make your WhatsApp experience more enjoyable and interruption-free. Stay connected and happy texting!